Okay, perfect. Alright, so then let me go ahead and get my pen back out. Okay, let's say I'm gonna write on the screen. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so remember I said that this is a person, this is a person, this is a person, and this is a person. Now, great part about it, this is not no multi-level marketing or anything of that sort, because nobody have to put anything in just to even start this. Remember, again, it started off for free. So great part about it, when they start telling people, that's their 4 people. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you look at this chart, if this was me or if this was you, you end up told somebody, you got a free stock, they got a free stock. You told somebody else, you got a free stock, they got a free stock. You told somebody else, they got a free stock, you got a free stock. You told somebody else, they get a free stock, you get a free stock. Remember, that's how you got 1 stock, 2 stock, 3 stock. And remember, they stated if you get 3 stocks, they'll give you the 4th one for free. Sorry, I didn't mean to put that yet. They get the 4th one for free. All right. So that if that's 1, 2, 3, and I got my 4th stock for free, then guess what? That 4th one is going to be my 5th one, and then my 6th one is going to be whoever allowed me to join with them. I got that free stock. So again, that's 1 stock, 2 stock, 3 stock, 4 stock, the free one, 5 stock, and then my 4th person is 6 stock. Okay, for free. Now, if they did that same remedy, they got 3 people. They're gonna get that 3, 1, 2, 3, plus that 1 stock when they asked you to sign up. That's their 4th one, and if they got that another 4th one, boom, there you go, your 5 and your 6. So again, if this was you, this was me, and this was you. I don't want to confuse you. So if this was me, and this right here was you, by me starting off with you, you're going to get 1 free stock. So that's 1 stock. Then you got 4 people in. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. All right, that's 3 people that you got in. So this is from when I got you in. These 3 is for the people you got in. Remember, they gave you 1 for free, and then this is just saying you just got a 4th person. So how many you have in total? Bring that down. That's 1 stock. Bring those 3 down. That's 3 stocks. Let's bring that one down. That's 1 stock, and let's bring that one down. That's 1 stock. So that's all together. 1 plus 3 equals what? 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 1 equals 6. 6 stocks. All right. Now, I hope you all paying attention to this. Stay tuned to the next module, and we just now getting this pot cooking. I'm loving it. Stay tuned.